Hi, I'm Divya Raj and I head the OT and IoT security business at Paramount. In the first part, we spoke about the critical differences between OT and IT security. In the second part, however, we will leverage the strengths that IT security professionals have to ensure that as a team we secure critical infrastructure better. Build a defensible architecture. Start from the edge and work your way in. Use and leverage existing IT tools and concepts like firewalls, network segmentation to ensure that you secure your OT IT data flows, and in the process build a robust architecture that protects your OT systems. Monitoring your industrial assets allows you to have a visibility of all the assets that are talking to your network. And why is this critical? It is critical because unless you are aware of what all is talking to the network, it is practically impossible to protect them. Also, network monitoring allows you to manage your assets better because it gives you a control over the configuration, it gives you a control over the change, it gives you an ability to automate threat detection. It allows you to draft your incident responses better. And all in all, it allows you to manage your risks better, which is key to protecting your OT systems. Why do we exercise every day? To maintain a healthy body, a healthy mind. So why is it very important to develop a OT-specific incident response plan, and why is it important to exercise it through simulations? To ensure that it comes in handy when the need comes. But what has to go in your OT-specific incident response plan? Creating an OT-specific incident response plan. When I say OT-specific, the communication protocols in OT are different. The devices in OT are different. The threat groups in OT are different. Taking into consideration all this, we have to draft an OT-specific incident response plan. So when we devise an OT-specific incident response plan, it has to factor all of this. Manage your vulnerabilities better. Have a top-down approach. Address the ones that bridge the IT-OT gap over the ones that are deep-seated in the ICS-OT network. Because in most cases, vulnerabilities within a defensible architecture have very limited impact. And last but not the least, an extremely critical aspect is securing your remote access. It could be either through multi-factor authentication or having tools or technologies in place that ensure zero trust, secure remote access to your OT systems. Understanding your OT systems is fundamental to ensure you're geared up to protect them. How do you strengthen that? Is with the knowledge and expertise that resides with your IT teams. Together, you're in a position to build a robust security mechanism that protects your industrial base. We as Paramount have expertise in both lines, OT and IT. Talk to us and we will help you in your security journey.